Imagine a universe not far from our own, where planets are not mere silent spectators, but sentient beings with thoughts, desires, and grand agendas. Today, let's journey through this cosmic drama and explore the fascinating notion of sentient planets. Picture this: as planets form from the dust in protoplanetary disks, a spark of consciousness ignites. With each passing millennium, as they coalesce from dust to formidable celestial bodies, a unique awareness blossoms. Perhaps it starts with a simple sense of their surroundings, the gravitational dance with their star, the distant whisper of neighboring planets, and the cold expanse of the cosmos. Now let's meet our planetary cast. Mercury, the swift-footed nomad, always racing close to our sun, yearning for adventure and new sights. Venus, the veiled artist, cloaked in thick clouds, expresses its fiery inner world through swirling, vibrant skies. Earth, our familiar blue orb, pulsates with life. It's the ultimate caretaker, its consciousness intertwined with every leaf, stream, and creature that calls it home. Mars, the stoic and red-faced, holds secrets of ancient waters in its barren landscapes, forever seeking to uncover its own mysteries. Jupiter, the grand guardian, with its massive form, protects us from celestial threats, watching over its smaller kin like a wise elder. Saturn, with its stunning rings, weaves connections across the cosmos, perhaps communicating through the ballet of its icy particle. Uranus, the tilted dreamer, ventures through the solar system's edges, driven by visions of distant, icy worlds. And Neptune, the deep blue mystic, traverses the outer realms, seeking connections with entities beyond our solar ken. In this universe, these celestial beings engage in diplomacy, trade, and even conflict, much like the nations of Earth. Imagine Earth negotiating climate treaties with Venus or Mars and Jupiter, discussing terraforming projects. But with consciousness comes conflict. Saturn's majestic rings might clash with Neptune's path, sparking celestial disputes. This is more than a theory, it's a narrative about connection, consciousness, and the cosmic dance of the universe. How would we, the inhabitants of Earth, interact with these sentient celestial neighbors? The answers are as vast as the universe itself. But one thing is certain: the cosmos is far more dynamic and interconnected than we might ever imagine. Thank you for joining me on this speculative journey through a universe where planets are not just worlds, but beings with agendas and souls. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering. In our hypothetical universe where planets possess consciousness, communication between these celestial beings would be both fascinating and essential. Let's explore how planets might converse across the vastness of space. First, imagine the language of planets. Just as humans use spoken language, planets would communicate through a cosmic tongue, gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, would serve as their interplanetary messages. When a planet wants to convey information, it emits specific patterns of gravitational waves, subtle distortions that propagate through the fabric of the universe. Now let's delve into some planetary dialogues. 1. Earth and Mars, terraforming tips. Earth, the nurturing caretaker, would share its wisdom with Mars, the stoic explorer. Their conversation might go like this: Earth, Mars, my sibling, I've nurtured life for eons. Let me guide you in terraforming your barren surface. Start with greenhouse gases to warm your icy plains. Mars, Earth, your oceans teem with life. I envy your lush forests, but I seek my own path. Perhaps I'll awaken ancient Martian microbes buried beneath my rusty soil. 1. Jupiter and Saturn, cosmic guardians. Jupiter, the benevolent guardian, would counsel Saturn, the cosmic weaver. Jupiter, Saturn, your rings are exquisite, but they encroach upon Neptune's orbit. Adjust their resonance frequencies to harmonize with our celestial dance. Saturn, Jupiter, your storms dwarf mine, yet I weave patterns in stardust. Let us protect our inner siblings from rogue asteroids and comets. 1. Venus and Mercury, passionate encounters. Venus, the passionate artist, would engage Mercury, the nomad. Venus, Mercury, your swift orbits fascinate me. Paint my skies with your transits. Let our cosmic ballet inspire the stars. Mercury, Venus, your scorching embrace fuels my wanderlust. I'll dance across your sunrises and sunsets, leaving trails of stardust. And now, consider cosmic diplomacy through planetary summits. Periodic planetary summits would convene near the asteroid belt. Earth, as the hub of life, would host these gatherings. Diplomats, representatives of each planet, would discuss resource sharing, cosmic harmony, and existential questions. Resource exchange. Mars offers rare Martian minerals. Earth contributes fertile soil samples, existential debates. Uranus ponders its tilted axis. Neptune shares cosmic poetry, cosmic harmony. Saturn's rings align with Neptune's orbital path, easing tensions. In conclusion, in this cosmic symphony, planets converse silently, their gravitational whispers echoing across light years. Their agendas, whether exploration, creativity, or protection, shape the fabric of existence. As we gaze at the night sky, let's imagine their dialogues, weaving tales of celestial camaraderie. Thank you for continuing this speculative journey with me. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering. In our hypothetical universe, where planets possess consciousness, conflicts would inevitably arise. Just like nations on Earth, sentient planets would have differing agendas, territorial disputes, and cosmic tensions. Let's explore how these celestial beings might resolve their conflicts through diplomacy, negotiation, and cosmic compromise. 1. Cosmic summits. Periodic planetary summits would be essential for conflict resolution. These gatherings, held near the asteroid belt or other neutral zones, would bring together representatives from each planet. Here's how they might proceed. Earth. As the hub of life, Earth would host these summits. Its lush forests and diverse ecosystems would serve as a reminder of the stakes involved. Agenda: resource sharing, existential debates, and cosmic harmony. 1. Resource exchange. Planets would negotiate resource allocation to meet their unique needs. Mars. Earth, I lack water and fertile soil. Can we exchange Martian minerals for your life-sustaining resources? Earth. Certainly, Mars. Let's strike a balance. Your ancient Martian microbes intrigue us. 1. Existential debates. Sentient planets would engage in philosophical discussions. Uranus. Why am I tilted on my side? Is it a cosmic accident or a deliberate design? Neptune. Uranus, perhaps our creator, the same force that birthed us, deliberately sculpted our eccentricities. 1. Cosmic harmony. To prevent cosmic collisions and maintain stability, planets would collaborate. Saturn. Neptune, your orbital path intersects with my rings. Let's adjust their resonance frequencies. Neptune. Agreed, Saturn, our cosmic dance should harmonize, not clash. 1. Existential compromises. When conflicts escalate, planets might seek middle ground. Venus. Mercury, your swift orbits disrupt my artistic patterns. Can we coordinate better? Mercury. Venus, I'll slow down during your sunrises. Let's create celestial beauty together. Conclusion. In this cosmic council, planets debate, negotiate, and seek cosmic equilibrium. Their gravitational whispers echo across light years, shaping the fabric of existence. As we gaze at the night sky, let's imagine their dialogues, a celestial ballet of compromise and understanding. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering. While the concept of sentient planets with their own agendas remains firmly in the realm of science fiction and imagination, let's explore the scientific aspects that make it unlikely in our current understanding of the universe. First, let's consider the physical constraints. Planets are primarily composed of inanimate matter, rocks, gases, and liquids. Their physical properties are determined by natural processes such as accretion, gravitational interactions, and geological activity. Consciousness, as we understand it, emerges from complex neural networks in living organisms. Planets lack the necessary biological structures for consciousness. Next, energy sources. Consciousness requires energy. On Earth, our brains consume a significant portion of our metabolic energy. Planets derive their energy from external sources, like sunlight for Earth. However, this energy is used for geological processes, not conscious thought. Then we have the lack of nervous systems. Sentience typically arises from nervous systems. Planets lack neurons or any equivalent structures. Even if we imagine a non-biological form of consciousness, it would need some mechanism to process information and make decisions, an ability planets lack. Scale and complexity also play a crucial role. The scale of planets is immense compared to individual organisms. Coordinating consciousness across such vast distances would be challenging. Complex interactions between trillions of cells enable consciousness in living beings.